If f such that x maps onto 5x minus 3, find f of minus 3 and b f of a. This is considered to be a function, and we could write it as f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. Part A, f of minus 3. What this means is substitute x into this expression here. Substitute x is equal to minus 3. So wherever there's an x, we now replace it with minus 3. So that becomes 5 times minus 3. It's always a good idea when substituting negative values into something to put it into brackets. Minus 3 for the minus 3 at the end. 5 times minus 3 gives me minus 15. Minus 3. Minus 15 minus 3 gives me minus 18. And then B, we've got f of a. Now that means substitute in, instead of x here, we now replace it with an a. So we now get 5 times the value of a, whatever a is, we'll just leave it as a, minus 3. You can't simplify that any further, so we just write down 5a minus 3. So this is a video to show you how to substitute values into a function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.